Hi there, Chris Bench, essay coach for HelloCollege. I want to talk briefly about how to organize your personal state. Now, there are theoretically an infinite number of ways to organize one of these things. There's not necessarily any right or wrong approach. I want to just give one common approach that works for many, many students. And it's a four-part structure, To begin with, you want to start with a story. And this is a story that's going to exemplify some important theme about you as a person, some characteristic of yours. This provides your readers with an image right off the bat that's going to put a picture of you as a human being walking around in three dimensions in the reader's mind. Think about how much easier it is to identify with somebody, to imagine somebody, how much more of a connection you have when you can picture them. This image up front is going to be the main image that your readers have of you as a person. So you want to start off with this story. It's going to catch their attention. It's going to provide this mental image of you. You're going to start occupying a little bit of mental real estate in your admissions officer's head. That's the first part. The second part of the essay is the reflective bit. This is where you come in and you talk a little bit about what this means. You want to talk about, hey, that story that I just told you, it demonstrates my hard work and dedication to everything that I do. And, you talk about why that hard work and dedication is important to you. That you saw it in your parents. Your dad was always up before dawn heading off to work. Your mom was always pulling late hours at the office. But both of them always even put in the extra effort to make sure that they were spending time with you. And you really appreciate that. And so you want to, carry that forward in your life. Make sure that you pay that back to other people as it was paid to you. Explain to the reader why that story exemplifies some important part of your life. In the third part of the essay, you want to take that one example and you want to rattle off a few other shorter examples. Now, the first example, that's a story. You're going to tell it like you would in a novel or a short story. We're going to feel like we're there. We're going to know what the weather is like. We're going to know what smells are going on. We're going to really feel like we're present in that moment. These later examples, they're just to show that that's not an isolated incident, but that you can connect it to other places in your life. So your initial story that shows you being super hardworking, going the extra mile, here you're going to come up with 2, 3, 4 other quick examples where your reader is going to be able to go, oh, okay, so it's not just that one story. They're also hardworking in their extracurriculars. They're hardworking in Spanish class. They go the extra mile when they are practicing for the track team, perhaps literally. That third part of the story then, that's how it connects to other parts of your life now. The fourth part of the story, the conclusion, because these essays are short, you gotta wrap them up fast. The conclusion, you want to extend that into the future. So you want to tell us in the future where you're going to be hardworking, in college specifically, because why are you writing this essay? You're writing it to get into college. You want to talk about how in college you're going to be hardworking. You're going to be there at the closing bell of the library. You're going to be showing up at all of your professor's office hours. You're going to be doing extra reading to learn more about topics that you have an interest in. Show yourself, give us this initial story, this initial image of you. Tell us what the meaning of that story is. Show us other places in your life where that characteristic is being exemplified, and show us where in the future you will be exemplifying it, specifically at college.